Hey friends, it's Len here from 1A Auto. Today we're going to be working on our 2006 Toyota 4Runner, and I want to show you how to remove and install a hood prop rod. If you need this or any other part, check us out, 1aauto.com. Thanks. So one of the first things you want to do is make sure that your hood's going to be secure. Last thing you want is for this hood to come down, potentially hit you in the head, crush your hands, hurt you in any way. 1A Auto, number one preference is to make sure that you're safe at all times. Just gonna go like this. I'm gonna take this prop rod, it's extendable. Just gonna put it up just like that. That puts plenty of pressure. Go like this, the hood can't really go very far. Get it to stay. Awesome. Come right over here. This is where your prop rod is, or a piston, all right? You'll notice that there's kind of like a nut right here. When you take this, you can turn it all the way to the left. It's gonna take out this whole unit. It's gonna look something like this, all right? It's got a little washer on it. We'll get to that in a minute though. To get started, we're gonna use our wrench, 12 millimeter, go like this. Just try to get it to break free. It's super important to make sure that you use that prop rod, just to reiterate, because once you get this off of here, what's gonna be holding it up? Just the one other piston there. Is that gonna be strong enough? I don't know. I don't wanna be the one to, have you under here like this, trying to do this. God forbid anything bad happens. Just gonna keep going, hold the hood up. There we go, that comes down like that. The hood's nice and safe for us. Get these wrenches out of here for now. Use my 12 millimeter down here as well. Once it's loose, should be all set to get it by hand. Here's our original prop piston. So here we are, friends, a quick product comparison. Right here, we have our original hood piston. This holds up the hood. And our 2006 Toyota 4Runner. Over here, we have our brand new quality 1A Auto part. As you can tell, if you hold these up next to each other, they're the same exact length, which is very important. You don't want one that's longer than the other. We don't want the hood going up too far or sitting down too low. This piston right here is going to be way too strong for me to go ahead and push down by my own hands. But with the leverage of having the hood on there, it's going to work very well. Comes with the kit that we need to install. This is going to go right in here after you mount it into the body and the hood of the vehicle. With that said, I don't see any reason why this wouldn't be a quality part to install into the vehicle, so I want to go ahead and do it. If you need this or any other part, check us out, 1aauto.com. Thanks. All right, so we're gonna get one of our pieces here. We're gonna take one of the washers that came with it, put it right on there. If you wanna use a little thread locker, you can. If you do, just use a little dab. We'll say it's your prerogative. Do you need some? I would say no, but you do you, boo-boo. Just gonna take it, start it in right here, get it going in. Now I'm gonna use my 13 millimeter. Just tighten this up, make sure it's nice and tight. Bonk, bonk, bonk. That's good. Do the same thing for this one. Put it in right here. You want to be careful the wrench doesn't slide off and you hurt your face. Bonk, bonk, bonk. There we go. That's on there, on there. Here we go. So when you install this, you want to make sure you would do it the right way. It doesn't go this way, all right? So the skinny end of the piston goes down in. It actually goes this way. So you've got the big part and the piston goes up and inside. That's going to help make sure that debris doesn't get stuck in here and mess up the piston seal and cause issues down the line. You can start with the top or the bottom, whatever you want to do. I'm going to go with the bottom. Just press it in, just like that. Give it a nice tug. It doesn't want to come out. We're going to do the same thing for the top. Just push the hood up or down, whichever way you need to go to get it to line up. That's in there good. Let's grab our tools out of the way. Prop rod. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, that's nice. Ready? Bring it almost all the way down. You can't ask for any better than that. Thanks, 1A.
Thanks for watching. Visit 1aauto.com for quality auto parts shipped to your door, the place for DIY auto repair. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button.